One thing that is important for me, especially about outdoor images, and I was talking about this before, is setting up the main theme for the image. Whether it's cold theme or the warm theme, of course, it's not in every kind of photography, because for studio photography or fashion photography, you have more strict rules, but the outdoor image is representing everyday life. So mostly when you watch outdoor natural light images that are warm, and this is the theme I would like to set up for this image. And there is two simple ways to do this. The first one is using solid color. I'm going to make it invisible now, and the other will be photo filter. So about solid color, choose the warm color that is close to the skin tone. So the hue could be around 35 as the skin tone, and choose the color not that strong as it was, and change blending mode into color. So this is way too strong, but once we take opacity down to 10% or 15%, the image will has much more sense. As you can see, it has this nice warm color, and still your shadows are in a little bit different tone. Of course, we affected this a little, but not that much. The other simple way will be choosing photo filter. And this works for certain things, maybe a little bit better, but it's actually a little too flat, this effect, for me. I find a little too flat, and let's have a look when I change blending mode to color. And I want to compare. This effect gave me this result and this. So you can see I much more actually prefer the color fill in this case. It gives me the more natural and warm touch. So color theme for me, that was quite much, so I'm going down to 10%. Would prefer to rather be careful for tones, and for shadows I could improve the blue color to make it maybe more standing out. Let's have a look. Yeah, because I don't want to lose the blue touch I had for the shadows, which was more like this. As you can see, warm theme is applied. You can also resolve this issue in different way. If you don't want to apply this warm tone to everything, I could just apply this into the highlight. So what I would do, I would go with shadows, hit the shadows, make selection, and inverted this on the mask of this solid color layer. So Command or Control and I, and it's applied just for the highlights. As you can see, really good effect. The image is still standing out a lot from the shadows. I would like to get something maybe more in between that. So then I would actually split the effect into two color themes. Copy this another time, and then maybe remove layer mask. We will try to do this, and we'll see how it's going to look like. And this color theme would be more like 5%, and this one also more like 5%. And we're going to see how the group looks like. And to me, maybe the blue color, the standing out blue color, looks a little bit more interesting. So I will stay with this color theme. And this is the nearly final result. I feel the image looks really nice. I'm going to move this layer into tones instead of keeping so many layers. You can see before the color grading and after. I really like how far we got. The image is all very warm, so like it's standing out a lot from the background, and we'll have few more steps that I like to polish the image at the end. And of course I owe you explanation why I use not that many color adjustment layers, why I don't like certain adjustment layers.